आज आप सभी को मैं एक छोटी सी गलती और सबसे पहली गलती जो हर इंग्लिश सीखने वाला बच्चा कर रहा है गाइस, पता है क्या गाइस? तो चेजिंग द परफेक्शन गाइस. यस, you are trying to be very perfect in the initial period of learning English. Guys, it's okay to make mistake if you are a beginner. ये common सी बात है कि अगर आप गलती कर रहे हैं, it is usual, it is very common. So don't try to be so much perfect at the first day of learning English. It is okay. Take your time. It's okay. If you are making mistake, it is a natural phenomena. Don't take it like it has become something which is unexpected and unpredicted. It is okay. And you are not the only one who is suffering from this kind of the fear and this kind of the agony. Really, I'm telling you, please guys, don't worry about it. If you are there and if you have started your journey of learning English, अगर आपने अपने सीखने का सफर सिर्फ अभी शुरू किया है, then थोड़ा सा तसल्ली रखिए. The things will come its own time, guys. चीजें अपने वक्त पर सही हो जाएंगी. But what all you have to do, please stop watching that all videos in which you are really listening और आप ऐसे लोगों को सुन रहे हैं जो बहुत ही fluent and बहुत ही productive और बहुत ही ज्यादा एकदम फिनिशिंग के साथ बोल रहे हैं. It is okay. Perhaps some of you might be getting motivated from watching my video and you want to see yourself in this projection. Please stop dreaming and projecting yourself at that big level. Please, सबसे पहले अगर आप beginner हैं, the most important thing and totally factful thing I'm telling you guys, nothing is fake there. And today, being a teacher, it's my fundamental responsibility to come ahead and let you know all about like what is the basic mistake what you all are making there, guys. Please stop thinking like कि मुझसे कोई गलती नहीं होगी. I will become so fluent and so effective and so efficient person in the beginning. It is okay. You will be making such mistakes. It's common to really, but don't chase the perfection. Don't chase to become perfect in the day one. From the day one, nobody is really perfect. Even I was too. I would not be telling you about myself. I did not started speaking in English right after coming out of the womb of my mother. हर को अपनी मम्मी के पेट से पैदा होते ही थोड़ा इंग्लिश बोलने लगता है गाइस. It is common. And if you really go for the journey of a little baby, when a baby comes out of come in the world, जब एक बच्चा इस दुनिया में आता है, so what do you think? Does it start walking or does it start running? Not at all, guys. It's not possible. So making mistake, it is common phenomena. You will fall down, you will stand up again, you will drag down, you will really crawl. But once again, I'm telling you, do not stop putting the efforts, guys. What do you all have to do? Stay confident and please stay motivated and please stay dedicated. Really keep on learning, keep on putting efforts in the first month, second month, third month, and keep watching yourself. Like over the period of time, you can see the improvement is getting into the life of your English journey, guys. Okay, so please, I want to tell you guys, the proficiency and the efficiency doesn't come over the night. It takes its own time. Remember, guys, अगर एक बच्चा 9 महीने लेता है पैदा होने में, and please, it does not mean that क्या perfection के लिए आप 9 month से 6 महीने का इसका period कर दें. Sorry, my example may be a bit abrupt to all of you, but please, the thing I just want to tell you guys, everything takes its own time. हर चीज अपना वक्त लेती है. एक फसल अपने आप को पूरा तैयार होने में पूरा वक्त लेती है. If you are really expecting something before the estimated time, and please, it is not going to be so perfect to you. So please, I want to request you all, everybody, do not fall into such misconceptions to become very perfect. Really, you are focusing on the pronunciations, focusing on the spelling mistake. It is common to make the mistake there, guys, if you are the beginner of learning English, guys. Okay, so please, from today, from my side, just rest assured, even in the beginning, we as a trainer also, we provide a great platform to a student. हम एक बच्चों को पूरा मौका देते हैं to make a mistake, because we know it is a natural phenomena. If we are cutting your wings at the initial level, if you don't allow someone to make mistake, he will be feeling so diffident. We are going to break his motivation, break his dedication and passion to learn English, guys. So in the beginning, really be very sure, like, yeah, certainly you are going to make some mistakes. It is okay with that. Okay, so making mistake, it is okay. So don't worry about it. You are not going to make a great big crime there. Do not feel terror and stop watching that old videos where you are being taught and learn about the perfection. Yes, you should watch that video, but at that peak of time, एक ऐसे वक्त पर when you think like, yes, I have gained a lot of gain the confidence, now I want to make myself more better, really want to develop my level. But at the beginning, what you all have to do, stop chasing the perfection, start making mistake and get into the ocean of learning English, guys. छलांग लगा दीजिए, guys. Do not chase the perfection too much, because too much perfection can kill your productivity and the naturality, guys. Okay, so please, thank you so much for watching this video till the end, guys. And I might be a bit fluent to all of you, yes ma'am, but the real thing which I have shared with you, please carry this forward and please share this video if you really think that this is going to be so original thing. And the thing which I have shared with you, being a teacher, it's my entire journey experience which I have shared with you all. I would not be telling a lie. I don't want to miscommunicate and misconduct you. Being a teacher, it was my fundamental responsibility. The matter I really brought before you all. And please guys, stop chasing perfection. You will surely make some mistakes. It's okay, embrace it. Okay, thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel if you think that it was valuable.